Oh, what a mess.
Those signs that say reduce speed,
I've seen it.
they don't put them there for nothing.
Look at this. Yeah, you can see he's come over right over here. He's sideways.
He's lost it, he's fully sideways at this point.
I hope they're all right. Yeah, big hole from hell here.
Boom.
Bangs, hit that.
Rolly, rolly.
And it's just gone, boom.
Windscreen.
Wow.
All this stuff.
It's obviously been here for a little bit. The 3 tyres are gone.
Where the front end hit the hole.
Oh, it's all disappeared. Look at that. Snapped clean off here.
The whole front end's gone.
See these out.
They've hit that hard.
I wonder what's inside.
There's no people, so they're gone. I can't see too much blood, so.
What's going on down in here?
Oh, look at that.
What is it?
Australia's deadly. Australia can be deadly.
It's deadly, all right.
So
Look at that.
No, poor buggers.
Yeah.
I reckon they were right though. If they had the seatbelts on, they were good.
Yeah, if they had their seatbelts on, they'd be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should wear your seatbelt more often.
I reckon you should.
Save your life.
Might save your life. Oh, well, I hope they're fine. Oh, there's the road map too. See it?
Yeah.
Is that a map?
Yeah. Lava tubes. Someone's misfortune. That would really ruin your trip, wouldn't it? So the tomatoes aren't that old, hasn't been any long.
Well, they haven't gone off, have they?
No.
So it could only have been a couple of days ago. There's some gear on this truck, Simon. You have a look up under the engine bay there. See here? They put a brand new starter motor on. Look how fresh it is.
Yeah.
And a brand new alternator.
Yeah.
The 2 things that would go in a truck like this too would be starter motor and alternator for sure.
That was a nice little car.
What is it?
Early model Prado.
Oh, okay. It's Prado, eh?
Yeah.
Same like yours. You remember that one you had?
No, this is earlier model than that.
Earlier than that.
Yeah, it's not before that.
It's even got some suspension in it. It's got all the go. They spent a bit of coin on this. Oh, well, it just goes to show, mate. You've got to be on the ball out here in the Outback.
Absolutely.
1 minute you're on your wheels, next minute you're on your lid.
No, we don't want that.
No, so we're out of here.
We're gone.
There's another one on your left, mate. I think it claims a few, that corner.
That's why, mate. Reduce speed.
Next time, the team follows in the footsteps of explorer Ludwig Leichhardt, searching for one of his 1845 camps.
It looks very similar, you know, this could be a blaze.
We check out some amazing escarpment country.
There's the view, mate.
Join us for the adventure.